larger organizations have already taken very proactive steps to ensure that they are compliant with the technological revolution. However, the small and the mid-sized organizations are still in guidance. There are not enough guidance to them. Well, we are going to discuss out what should be done for all the enterprises, whether it's a small organization or a bigger organization, because a smaller organization would like to compete with bigger organization using technology advantage.
Technology has become not only indispensable, but it has become actually the lifeline for all the businesses, irrespective of their size, industry, location, or for that matter, the kind of customers they cater to.
Leveraging technology, that was a legacy system which we were having post-pandemic. And now, during the pandemic, we did such a transformation where, we put into a lot of automation process, digitized all the equipments. We went from an RPA to, having an AI build where, our major focus was on import, where, we used to ship our logistics, and we were not having a kind of a visibility where we get materials on time, or probably customer demands were so much high that oxygens were almost on a dead position. We were short of things, but technology helped us in a way to plan the entire demand what India was having, and in terms of getting it from the outside world.
Whatever workflow driven processes we had, we digitalized it. Still, it's a process, it's a journey, it's not something which is completed, it's on. But then this helps us to, get the necessary impetus or momentum to push the digitalization for the workflow driven processes. And it helped us a lot, and we become a lot agile in this, journey and this pandemic. So similarly, whenever you are getting into the IT journey, this is something you need to take care or take in your stride, identify where security could be a concern right from the conceptualization stage, whether it's an application development or where it's something on a web-enabled thing, or either anywhere onto the, a device enablement or a IoT or anything. This is something you have to inbuilt that into your processes, have a necessary discussion, what all good practices that are available, make use of that.
Maybe a remote working model was something that we were already geared up for. There is a good discipline and a way of work. You have to have the access to the certain critical servers which we had ensured our center was well connected to and having the right protocols to connect. But now we had to try and enable that to our persons working from home. How would those workflows have attachments that could be secured? How could we gain access to the client history which was in a document repository which was otherwise available within the intranet? These were the things that we were challenging. But these were the three different waves, if I can classify them, that we had to grapple with. First, enable people to work from home. Second, more and more demands of the existing workflow and back office users. And third, new solutions to cater to new business models.
This is my 2 years journey that I am doing a lot of projects for this company, that whatever the infrastructure like SAP, we have to move on AWS. We have a legacy-based CRM application, we have to move on SaaS-based Salesforce. We have a traditional mailing system, we have to move on Office 365. And lot of other applications where we can work for our, we can plan, we can do SaaS or cloud, whatever, but first thing for the security also.
Apada should be converted into opportunity, kind of opportunity where people started thinking towards the digitization, and a lot of organization at the top level, we were fairly safe in terms of availability, connectivity. We used to drive the concept, branch on the backpack. The whole motivation of my workforce is that you can do the business from where you were for since more than 2 years, and people start realizing that they are more productive as compared to what they used to do, So, and that is what we see as a cost optimization also.
From 2020 has created ample opportunities and has changed their mindset. And now they have no other option. They are going with cloud. Now, when you talk to them about cloud, security is an issue. They say, what about the security? Last time we had a similar kind of event on the security, Tata Tele Service Security and Point City. And there were lots of apprehension. Now we said, you trust us, okay, Tata Tele Services, like we are going to be there and we will ensure the cost optimization. We will ensure that your solution is fully optimized. But in the next 4 to 5 years, probably we will see a massive digitization and transformation. I mean, eye-opening how different panelists have embarked on a different kind of different journey in last 2 to 3 years and transformed their organization.